This is Windsor Castle.
Alfie walks inside the castle. Mama Rose. Grandma Rose is here too.
They walk together.
The crown is not here.
Grandma Rose is surprised.
Help! The crown is missing! Oh!
A police officer comes in. He writes in his notebook.
What is your name?
My name is Alfie.
Nice to meet you, Alfie.
Look, that door is open.
Be careful. Come with me.
They walk to the door.
Alfie looks at the fountain.
I can see something shiny.
PC Oliver looks in the water.
He puts his hand in the water.
It is a golden key. This key opens a door.
Alfie runs back to the castle.
Wait for me, Alfie.
PC Oliver holds the key.
Where is the right door?
He tries every door.
Look at that small door.
The key fits.
Alfie is very excited.
He opens the small door.
crown! I can see it!
Oh, wonderful! We found it!
PC Oliver picks up the crown.
We have the crown! Yes, we did it!
Grandma Rose hugs Alfie.
I found the crown. It is safe.
Are you a good police officer? Yes, I try to help people.
Would you like a biscuit?
Yes, please, thank you. Thank you, Round Rose. Thank you, Grandma Rose. You're home. Ethan, get you, please.
Can I have one too, please?
They walk back together.
The crown is back.
It is beautiful.
You are very brave, Alfie.
I am happy to help.
I am so proud of you.
They go outside.
I love Windsor Castle.
Let us have a cup of tea.
This tea is very hot.
PC Oliver drinks his tea.
Lovely. A perfect cup of tea.
Who put the crown in the garden?
We do not know, but it is safe now.
Some things are a mystery.
Alfie is ready to go home.
Goodbye, Alfie. Well done.
Goodbye, PC Oliver.
They walk home together.